Hello guys, how are you? My name is Luca and this is my kitchen. Welcome! Today we are making asparagus risotto. Delicious! To make the vegetable stock, I used my homemade vegetable stock cream. If you want to make it, follow the link up there. Bring the stock to the boil. Cut the woody part of the asparagus and add it to the stock. Cut the asparagus tips and chop the remaining part. Add in a pan extra virgin olive oil and a bit of butter. Add half of the chopped onion and the asparagus. Let them fry on moderate heat. Add in a pan where we will cook the rice extra virgin olive oil and a bit of butter. Add the remaining half of the chopped onion. And after a couple of minutes, the rice. Let the rice fry a couple of minutes, high heat. Add the white wine and let it evaporate. Add 2 ladles of stock. Pick the asparagus tip and set aside. Add the asparagus to the rice. From now on, cook the rice, adding 1 ladle of stock at a time, adding only after the previous addition has been absorbed by the rice. Add a bit of pepper. Taste the rice and check if it needs more salt. When the rice is cooked al dente, take the pan out of the heat. Add the asparagus tips, a bit of butter, and the parmesan, and stir. Cover and let it rest a few minutes. Our asparagus risotto is ready. It's very good. It's delicious. You can taste the asparagus. The tips of the asparagus are still crunchy. It's unbelievable. You should try it.